We're pumping up a tire, 28.5 psi to 36 psi, short press, in under a minute. We're going to be pumping up a SUP, stand-up paddleboard, in about 7 minutes. With attachments easily switched over from tar tire to paddleboard and accessories, simply unscrew and screw in to the inflation socket. Paddleboards, rafts, basketball, volleyball, soccer ball, car tires, inflatable items, easy to blow up. To blow your raft up, we're going to show you how simple this is in under 10 minutes, 7 minutes time to inflate. With the memory hose, unscrew the cap. Pick the cap for your raft and place on. Tighten down. Lock into place. Set the pump up for the desired amount of PSI, 12 to 20. With the soft white light, turn the pump on by pressing. We have here is the U that we could change the different types of settings, and the recycle that changes to change the units from a bicycle, pedal bicycle, and so forth. We're going down to 12 psi. You can long press to 12 psi. Short press to pump. The dual stage pump, when complete, everything is pumped, remove the valve and close up. You have the pump that is cooled off by a number of vents all around. And when completed, simply shut down. To deflate your raft, it's simply the opposite way by removing the hose, placing onto the deflator, and in the evening hours, you have a light. With the nozzle, open up. Set the machine on and let it deflate. As the air is drawn out via the motor, you can roll up your raft, canoe, sup, and more. It is a quick deflatable pump. Under 7 minutes or so to pump up your raft, depending on the sup you have. Once deflated, pull out and shut off. It is a manual off when deflating your raft. And your sup is now deflated. Pumps of all sizes, lightweight, portable, with a 12-volt option power bank. You're able to pump up your raft in no time. If it's a paddleboard, kayak, canoe, volleyball, basketball, soccer ball, inflatable items. From the company Zuxiga, we have here is a 50 psi, 2-stage, 7 minutes to pump up a sup stand-up paddleboard with a second stage of 150/LMIN. And we're going to show you pumping and deflating a raft, as well as pumping up a car tire from 29 to 36 psi in 38 seconds or less. You get just about everything with your inflatable pump. You have a hose, all your attachments for different types of rafts and inflatables. You get your 12-volt cable up to 8 feet with 2 fuses and a bike stem adapter. The inflatable socket that goes on to your tire with a lock valve. A nice small nylon carrying bag that puts everything in to carry all your accessories. The pump is made of APS plastic, black and orange, with a nice large window display with a handle that opens up for adjustment. On the back is your inflator and deflator, your outlet port, and your LED light. On the unit, you have areas that vent for cooling off the 2-stage pump. And on the back, you have 4 rubber feet. We'll demonstrate in the house, low light, turning the unit on. You have the display window. It starts off with the SUP board at 0.0 psi at 15.0 psi. This is the negative that you hold down. It'll decrease the pressure. And over here, it increase the pressure by increments of 0.1. On the bottom, you have two buttons. You have a recycle that goes through different types of modes. The car, a motorcycle, moped, a bicycle, and back to the SUP and rafts. On the opposite side is the pressure in different types of configurations, bar, PSI, and so forth. And on the top is the light that you simply press and the light will come on. You have a SOS, off, and a light. Short pressing turns the pump on and off. The pump passes two stages. You hear the high pressure fan, and then you hear the pump actually going into a softer and heavier pump. We have demonstrated pumping up the tire and the SUP and deflating the SUP, the stand-up paddleboard. So if you're looking for a pump that is portable, lightweight, easy to carry, with a handle, ergonomic, with a nice large window and a control board, with the inflator, deflator, nice large areas of valves, this pump, a two-stage pump, may be something that you are looking for. From Zuxiga, your pump. Thank you for viewing, and check out online for the colors, makes, and models you are after.